Side hustle. From idea to income in 27 days. Introduction. Why start a side hustle? Chris Guillebeau begins by challenging the traditional idea of job security. In today's uncertain economy, relying solely on one source of income is risky. A side hustle offers freedom, creativity, income, and security, without needing to quit your full-time job. He emphasizes that anyone can do this, even if you have no experience in business, no money to invest, or limited time. All you need is one idea, a plan, and consistent action. The book is designed like a 28-day calendar, where you follow daily tasks grouped into 5 weeks. Each week builds momentum, so by the end, you have a real business up and running. Week 1. Build an arsenal of ideas. Day 1 to 5 goal. Come up with a list of potential side hustle ideas. This week is all about ideation, collecting ideas without judgment, then filtering the best. Tools and actions. Idea generation. Think of your skills, passions, and life experiences. What do people ask you for help with? What problems have you solved in your own life? Use prompts. What frustrates people that you could fix? What do you know that others would pay to learn? What tools or services do people use inefficiently? Examples. A teacher starts selling lesson plans online. A fitness enthusiast creates customized home workout plans. A software developer builds simple automation tools. Output by day 5. A list of at least 10 ideas. A narrowed-down shortlist of 3 to 5 promising options based on profit potential, speed to market, and feasibility. Week 2. Select your best idea. Day 6 to 12 goal. Choose one idea and define your offer. This week, you evaluate your top ideas using a side hustle selector matrix, scoring them on profitability, ease, market demand, and enjoyment. Key question. What does your side hustle do and who is it for? Define your offer. You don't just sell a product, you sell a result or transformation. Chris introduces the offer formula. A promise plus benefits plus call to action. Example. Not custom resume service, but land your dream job with a powerful resume designed by a former recruiter. 3-day delivery guaranteed. Other concepts. Choose your pricing model, flat rate, tiered packages, or recurring subscription. Identify the minimum viable offer, MVO. What's the fastest way to start helping someone and getting paid? Output by day 12. One clear side hustle idea, a defined offer with pricing, description, and target audience. Week 3. Prepare for liftoff. Day 13. Goal. Get ready to sell. This is the implementation phase. You build a simple sales system, a landing page, a way to accept payments, and a communication channel. Create an online presence. A one-page website using tools like Card, Wix, or WordPress. Include offer, testimonials, if any. Clear call to action. Spread the word. Email your network, friends, coworkers, past clients. Post on social media groups or platforms where your audience exists. Offer a beta or discounted version for feedback. Don't overcomplicate. You don't need a logo or business cards. You just need to explain your offer clearly and give people a way to buy. Output by day 19. Website or sales page live. First outreach and promotion strategy launch. Week 4. Launch your hustle. Day 20 to 26. Goal. Make your first sale. This is the most exciting, and often nerve-wracking, phase. It's time to go live. Launch strategy. Send personalized emails. Hey, I'm offering ____ to help with ____. Would you be interested or know someone who might? Use urgency. Limited beta spots. Special launch price. Keep your ask simple and direct. Measure response. Are people opening emails but not clicking? Are they clicking but not buying? Use this data to tweak your messaging. Remember, you may not get it perfect the first time. Treat every interaction as an experiment. Adjust your offer, pitch, or pricing based on what you learn. Output by day 26. Real customer feedback. First sales completed, or at least a clear sense of what to fix. Week 5. Regroup and refine Day 27 goal. Improve and systematize your side hustle. The final step is reflection and iteration. Chris encourages you to look at what worked, what didn't, and how you can now make more sales, improve the customer experience, add automation, e.g. email follow-ups, payment links, create repeat customers or referrals. This is also the time to decide. Do you want to scale this? Do you want to build another hustle? Or is this just a fun side project that brings in extra income? Beyond the 27 days, Chris emphasizes that side hustling is a mindset. Once you see how easy it is to create income on the side, you'll start seeing opportunities everywhere. Many people go on to replace their full-time income, build multiple income streams, turn a side hustle into a full business or passion project. Final lessons and takeaways: don't wait for the perfect time. It'll never come. Start with what you have: skills, knowledge, or a problem you've solved. Action beats theory. You learn more by doing. A side hustle should bring you money and joy. If it doesn't, tweak or replace it. Bonus resources in the book: templates for outreach emails, pricing worksheet, website copy structure, silent sales funnel checklist, offer positioning map. In just 27 days, you can take control of your financial future without quitting your job, taking big risks, or learning how to be an entrepreneur. You just need a good idea, a simple plan, and the willingness to act. Your hustle starts now.